be there, sir.
Okay, just hold on. So sometimes, patient comes with a different kind of scenario. Now, this is the patient who has come to you. Okay, now we have different scenario.
Sir.
इसको इन्फ्लेट तो नहीं किया था?
नहीं किया.
Okay. Okay, different patient. Now press. Yeah, now this is the patient has come. Okay.
Press it, sir.
So this is XABCD protocol.
Yes,
Stop
sir.
the catastrophic bleed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But the bleeding is not.
On karo.
I'll see the BP, sir.
No, you don't go for BP
Okay.
in this scenario.
Huh.
You do. Please do whatever you want to do.
Sir.
So go and bind the tourniquet.
Yes, sir.
आ जाइए, आप मदद करना है तो आपको. So you have to apply the bandages.
Sure.
Okay. Stop the bleed. Try to stop the bleed. But if it is not stopped, then what you do? You apply a cat tourniquet.
Yes, sir.
Ask him. ऐसे उंगली मत घुसाओ. If he needs help. Okay.
So, tighten it.
No. Yes.
हाँ.
Bring it that side ना, फिर ऊपर लेके आई ना इसको. यहाँ इसको. ये जरूरी है ना. This is you need to. No. छोड़ देते तुम लेके आओ आगे. ये ऐसे. तो यही आपको टीच करना है. आपको लर्न करना है ना. अभी रुको. Just give 2 twists.
हाँ.
Just stop it there. Because this is a hard row. Okay.
So we'll put
And then
and
what will you do?
we'll put the tourniquet time here, sir.
Okay, tourniquet time.
Sir.
So, what is the principle of binding tourniquet, cat tourniquet?
Cat
Now bleeding has stopped, na? You can remove.
Yes, sir.
So there is no bleeding.
Yes, sir.
So see, there is no bleeding now. We apply the cat tourniquet. So what are the principle of applying cat tourniquet?
Sir, cat tourniquet stops both venous bleed as well as arterial bleed.
Yeah, we are mainly concerned here with arterial bleed.
Yes.
Okay. So like as high as possible and
As tight as possible.
as tight as possible. So they're as high as possible and as
tight.
high as possible.
Yes.
So how you ensure that the tourniquet is tight enough?
So the finger doesn't slide.
Yes.
inside.
Teach us, huh?
Yes.
If the finger,
Doesn't slide inside the tourniquet.
then it is
tight.
effective. Suppose you have applied a cat tourniquet and still blood has not stopped.
We'll
What will
apply
you do?
the second tourniquet.
You will apply the second tourniquet. Okay?
Sir.
क्यों भाई आप दूसरा tourniquet apply करेंगे. So you apply the second tourniquet and definitely bleed will stop. Okay? And you can keep up to 6 hours, 8 hours because here the scenario is life versus limb.
Yes.
So we may sacrifice the limb but save the life.
Sure.
So people are saying for half an hour, for 2 hours, 4 hours. No. As long as if you don't go to the facility and it is still like bleeding, intermittently you can open it up. But better you take to the facility where patient can be explored, operated. Until that time you don't have to release the tourniquet. No need because it is limb versus life scenario.
Sure.
Because patient will die. So better sacrifice the limb and save the life. So I have seen many even trauma surgeon they have this misconception like up to 4 hours. No, in Second World War they were kept up to 8 hours also. Okay. So this is the second inning of the cat tourniquet. Earlier they were used in Second World War.
Yes.
So you can use till the time you reach to the operation theatre or where definite treatment can be done. So it is not 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, no time. As long as patient is bleeding, you feel that bleeding has not stopped, and then you can apply because it is again I will say limb versus life scenario. Okay.